Okay, good afternoon, teacher. Now I'm going to display this syntactic analysis with three diagrams. Here we have two examples. First of all, it's important to identify the sentence and the clause. So, one of the key aspects in which we can identify these two phrases is the adjunction. In the sentence, we can find this adjunction, as you can see. The phrase is the King of Spain will visit Ecuador, and here we have the adjunction in 2 weeks. And this is something that we can find in the clause. The clause is a simple phrase, I could say. In this case, Valentina did not prepare the dinner. So, starting with this sentence, we have the King of Spain will visit Ecuador in 2 weeks. So, as I mentioned before, the King of Spain is first the noun phrase, and then we have will visit Ecuador in 2 weeks is the verb phrase. So, in this part, the noun phrase, we have the King of Spain. So, we divide into two parts, noun phrase and prepositional phrase. The noun phrase is the king, and in this, as you can see, we have here two words. So here we have the determiner and also the noun. The determiner is there, and the king is the noun. So then we have of Spain. Here, as you can see, of, here we have a prepositional phrase. So we have of as a preposition and Spain as a noun. And then we continue with another part of the sentence that is the verb phrase. In this case, as you can see, we'll visit Ecuador in 2 weeks. We have the verb phrase that is will visit Ecuador, and we have the prepositional phrase in 2 weeks. So, starting with the verb phrase, we have will visit Ecuador. As you can see, the verb is here, will visit, but we have this auxiliary that is will, so we have the auxiliary plus the verb. And then we have Ecuador, that is the noun. And then we continue with the last part of the sentence in 2 weeks, and in this part we can find the prepositional phrase because we have the word in. So this prepositional phrase is divided into two parts, that is the preposition in and the noun phrase 2 weeks. So in this part we can divide it into two parts, two as a determiner or as a quantifier also, and weeks as a noun. So here is the syntactic analysis with three diagrams in the sentence, and now we are going to continue with the clause. As you can see, in this phrase we have Valentina did not prepare the dinner. So we have the noun phrase here, that is Valentina, and then we continue with the verb phrase, in this case did not prepare the dinner. In this part we have divided into the verb phrase that is here, did not prepare, and the noun phrase that is here, the dinner. So starting with the verb phrase, we divide into two parts. That first we have the verb in negative, as you can see here, did not, and then we have the verb in a base form that is prepared. So this is the verb phrase, and then we continue with that is the noun phrase. In this case is also divided into two parts, and in this part we have the as the determiner, and finally dinner as a noun. So in this way we can also make this syntactic analysis in three diagrams in clause, and also we have the example of sentence. So that's it, teacher. Thank you so much.